So we're at Amicalola State Farm Park right now. Is that how you say it? Amicalola?
State Park. I don't know, Amicalola?
Amicalola?
Yeah.
We came up here to do our wedding pictures when we first got married, so we wanted to come back up here to visit it again. And
What's that?
today is Thursday. It's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
So they have this honor system. You just put your money into the thing. Oh, this person just drove in and they didn't pay. Shame on them. Shame on them. The shame is on them. But we're paying. We're putting our money in. Look, this other person, they just drove in and they didn't pay either. Are we like the only ones that are following the honor system? We're like the only ones that are actually paying? I mean, it's only like $5, y'all.
I know, right? Alright.
It's kind of sad that they didn't pay.
It is. We're gonna pay.
Because the money helps to maintain the park and keep the park open.
And clean, right?
And keep it clean. And so they're going to use the facilities and they're going to enjoy the park, but they're not going to pay. That's not okay.
Well, we paid.
Yeah, we paid. Eric, just go up so the next person can get. We can do this later.
Okay. Where do we go? Where do I go?
I don't know, just go straight. Good. And we heard the police siren. Maybe those people are getting in trouble for not paying. They probably are. You think they're gonna get caught, Eric?
Yeah, I hope so.
You hope they get caught?
Yeah, because it ain't right to just not pay.
Yeah. Okay, so we're at the state park and my husband went so fast we couldn't see the sign.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
But we're at the state park. There's a visitor center. You want to go to the visitor center?
Yeah, we can.
We're about to go into the visitor center, y'all.
It says it's 30 minutes.
We can only park here for 13 minutes. So, he's going to put the sign up and I'll check in with you all when we're at the visitor center. This light is terrible. Oh my God.